Hey guys, what's up? It's the Rubik's Cube God coming again with it. Well, actually, it's my very first video here, but I'll be introducing you to my new channel, the Rubik's Cube God 2.0, obviously, and I will be showing you what I'm going to do in this channel. So let's get going. So guys, what I will probably be doing is what every channel does. Solves, like relays, like 3x3. Also have two cubes, pyramids, and my custom cube. You can see, just bought some new stickers for it. So that's about all the cubes I have. So right now, also unboxings. Like I'm just waiting for a package for you guys to see. It's the Moji Weilong GTS 2M. I just bought it, and yes, it's gonna be great. I also bought some lube, DNM 37, and some silicone lube. Maybe I'll buy the Gen 4 Stack Mac Speed Stack Timer. I don't know. I'll probably buy it anyways. But yeah, that's all we're gonna be doing today. So yeah, so right now I'm just gonna do a quick solve.
8 seconds.
So yeah. Oh shoot. Wrong. I did the wrong one. Damn it. I may have to restart this off anyways. I like the worst cuber ever. Yeah. 3 slow solves. I'm an average cuber. That's more accurate. Yeah. This is gonna be a pathetic solve. You know what? I'm just gonna give up. Solve it again. Scrap. Yeah. So yeah. Oh shit. No. Wrong pair. There we go. So yeah. This is all I'm gonna be doing to this channel, basically, like soft cubes. I need to learn full OLL. Like I just know 2 algorithms. That's about it. Like and for PLL, I just know 2. That's like horrible. That was a horrible solve. Well, guys, I didn't even finish it. It's a DNF. There we go. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for more videos. Make sure to like and subscribe. Support me because I just barely started and I'm poor. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Peace out.